back to my channel. I'm Amy, and today I'm going to share with you guys all of my favorite cleaning products. So one of the questions I get a lot are, one, what's your favorite product for this? Or two, why do you enjoy cleaning so much? And honestly, I really feel like the way to enjoy cleaning, because cleaning is something that you have to do anyway, so why not make it a little bit more enjoyable for yourself? So the main thing that helps me to enjoy cleaning is to have products that you love and that smell good. So I use tons of different products. They're all chemical free. I get all of my products from Grove Collaborative, and I actually started using Grove Collaborative before I started a YouTube channel. I used to watch a bunch of other YouTubers that have cleaning videos and content like that on their channels as well. So a lot of them recommended Grove Collaborative, so I looked into it, I tried it. I got my first little free set by using one of their links. And then I started loving Grove Collaborative, all the Mrs. Meyer's, the Method products, all of that stuff. So that is what I use now, and I'm telling you, cleaning is so much more fun when you have good products. So that's why I want to share them with you. If you've never heard of Grove Collaborative, it's just a company that ships all the cleaning products straight to your door, and you don't have to worry about anything. They ship them monthly, but you can go in, they will send you an email the week before your order ships and a day before your order ships, just to make sure that you don't want to change any of your products or anything. But at that point, you can go on anytime during the month, and if you are like, I don't need it this month, I'm going to delay my order, or if you have certain products that you need that month that you didn't have in your cart already, you can change all of that out. And I honestly end up ordering every single month. I think since I've been using Grove Collaborative, I have ordered pretty much every month. It's not the same products every month, because like one month I might run out of this, and then the next month I might be running low on this, because some products I use more than others. But I love the convenience. I do most of my shopping online anyways. I just don't like walking up and down an aisle trying to shop for things when I can just order it online and it's free shipping and goes straight to my door, and I just don't have to worry about searching for it. I even do my grocery shopping that way. I just order online, pull up to Kroger, and they bring it to my car. I'm just that type of person. So if you like to shop online, then definitely check out my link below. And it also gets you a free Mrs. Meyer's gift set. So it comes with, like, I think it comes with the hand soap, the lotion, and the dish soap. So definitely check out the link below if you've never used Grove Collaborative before. And even if you have used and you already are a customer with Grove Collaborative, that link will also get you a free set of the scrubber brushes or scrubber sponges too. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you guys subscribe and then give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out and it lets me know that you like videos like this. So while you're watching this video, I would also love to get your feedback and let me know if you use any of the products that I'm mentioning, or if you have any favorite scents that you think I should check out, or products or anything. Let me know down in the comments, because I love to socialize with you guys and get your feedback. So why don't we go ahead and just jump into this video, and I'm going to show you guys what I use for my cleaning products. I'm going to start with all my laundry products first, and if you watch my videos, then a lot of these you're going to be like, oh, I knew she loved that anyways. But this is the laundry detergent by Mrs. Meyer's, and it's the honeysuckle scent. Before I used this, I was using Tide or Gain, and most of the time I was using Gain, and I loved the way that smelled, but I decided that I wanted to try Mrs. Meyer's since I was getting all of my products from Grove Collaborative anyways. So I tried this out, and I am obsessed. I will not go back to anything else. Honestly, I'm trying to branch out, and I might try some of the other scents because I do love the basil scent and everything else, but I'm stuck on this honeysuckle. When I see it, or when I smell it when I get in the bed at night on my sheets or on my clothes, I'm just in heaven. So this is amazing. I love it, love it, love it. And to go with that, I also use the Mrs. Meyer's fabric softener and the honeysuckle scent as well. And another product that I use in the laundry room is this laundry enhancer by EnviroCleanse, and I'll show it to you. And it just takes the odors out of any of your mildewy towels or anything like that. We have been using this a lot this summer just because we have all of our towels from the pool and the beach and everything, and so they'll sit in the laundry basket and then they get that mildewy smell. So I use this anytime I'm washing towels, and I also use it on our regular towels because after we take a shower, we will hang up our towel and then use it again. So we usually use it like 2 or 3 days in a row before we wash them, and then I'll just use this so that it gets any of that mildewy smell out of it, and I love this product. All right, now we're gonna move on to products that I use in the kitchen. And so I'm gonna start with my absolute favorite product because we have a wood countertop, and I use this in the kitchen. I use it all around on the wood surfaces in our house as well, but it's the Method Daily Wood Cleaner, and this stuff smells really good. This one is the almond scent, and I'm obsessed with it. The next product that I use in the kitchen on our stainless steel appliances is the Method Steel For Real. Trying to get it to focus. And it leaves your appliances streak free. It's amazing. And then the next product that I use is the Daily Granite on my granite countertops. And I actually use this in our bathrooms on the granite countertops and in our laundry room as well. And I love it. I use it every single day. All right, and then the next product that I'm using in our kitchen is the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, and then this one is the honeysuckle scent, but I think one of our favorite dish soaps is the basil scent, so we use that a lot. And that's it for all of my favorite kitchen products. All right, and then I'm gonna move on to bathrooms. All right, so in the toilet, I use the Method Anti-Bac Toilet Bowl Cleaner, and I love this stuff, and this is in the spearmint scent, and it smells really good. And then on all of my windows and on our mirrors, I use the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. And this is in the mint scent. In our showers, I use the Method Daily Shower, and I actually just started using this product this past month, and I'm loving it. I got two. I got one for the kids' bathroom, and then I got one for downstairs that I use in our bathroom and our guest bathroom. And then on our toilet, I use the 7th generation wipes. I was using the Clorox wipes, but like I said, since most of my products come from Grove Collaborative anyways, I started getting these, and I love them. And this is in the lemongrass citrus scent. I might have to try a different scent. I don't know. If you guys have a favorite scent, let me know down in the comments below, because I do like these wipes, but I feel like there could probably be a better scent in this. I really like the way that they work on the toilet though. All right, and then for everywhere in the house, I use this room freshener, and this is maybe not an actual cleaning product, but it's kind of like a Febreze, but like I said, I'm using this. I do have a DIY Febreze that I did, and so I have that as well, but I wanted to try this because I've heard so many people rant and rave about this product. So it's the room freshener, and of course I got the honeysuckle scent. And then another product that I use all over my house, like when I'm dusting and stuff, is the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray. This one is in the honeysuckle, and I just got this one, so I haven't used it yet, but of course I know what the scent smells like. But my absolute favorite scent for the multi-surface spray around the house is the peony scent, and honestly, they are out of it right now. I think it'll probably come back hopefully next spring, but there's other flowery scents that are out right now too. I know there's bluebell and a few others that you could try if you are looking for more of a flowery scent. Alright, so that is it for all of my favorite cleaning products, and don't forget to use that link down below if you are at all interested in trying Grove Collaborative. Like I said, if you are an online shopper, then you will love it. So definitely try it out, and let me know in the comments below if you use Grove Collaborative or what your favorite cleaning products are. I'd love to know those as well. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!